Hi, it's Ronan from Smith Plastering. We were contracted by Decor London to take on this job. The original house dates back to 1650, so heritage was of the utmost importance. Yeah, really happy with what the team's done here. We love taking on line projects. It's what I started out in. We've used EWI Pro's heritage range. We've used a mixture of the NHL 5 for the strength. We've done a mesh within that as well. And then we've done a top coat of 3 NHL. It's a perfect finish, really traditional, mixture of floated and the sponge finish, and I think it speaks for itself.
The bit that you can see behind, we asked Tony's help to recommend somebody who could do the rendering, and Smith, they've come in and done an absolutely amazing job with that. So all down the side of the house and the back of the house just really transformed. We're really, really happy with what they've done. So I'd recommend them 100%. We're so happy with them.